Okay, well, it's Tuesday. It's going to be a very, very short week. I hope you had a great long weekend. Uh, you're really only going to get about 2 days of actual work this week. Um, it's pretty much a half day here on Thursday, so I'm going to give you a free day on that. So if you need to make up any work or anything, please do it on that day, or otherwise, feel free to, um, you know, do extra PE or just take extra time to read. Anyway, today we're going to be doing an informational text. It's called Tutors Teach Students New High-Text Tricks. Remember, you guys can uh, click on the link and press play, listen to it as you read along. Basically, what you're going to do is comprehension check questions after you read it. So you can either do it here or make a document and submit it. Today's math is going to be area and circumference of circles. The link should take you right here, and I'm really just going to have you do just this one uh, topic today. Let me know how much time it takes. I'm still trying to make sure you're getting enough hours for each subject. This should be about an hour and a half. If it's longer or way shorter, please let me know. But you're going to do that today. Science, make sure we're in the right place here. Yeah, science is going to be uh, adaptations for reproduction, starting on page 107 all the way down to 111. And answer the putting it together question, send it to me in a document. And in social studies, the American Nation textbook, pages 100 to 105, middle colonies. Answer the review questions in the document. Remember, you don't have to locate. Just everything else. All right. Uh, Today and tomorrow, guys. If you have any extra time, work on stuff you need to make up, please. By next week, I should have some grades up uh, to send to you. So make sure everything is in by next week at least. All right, guys. Have a great day today. I will post some more stuff tomorrow, and then you got another 4-day weekend. So use it wisely. Make sure if you have stuff to turn in, you are turning it in. All right. Have a great day, guys.